Now that you've grasped how easy this technique is, you'll be able to help your audience engage and retain the information you show them much better than they would have done in the past. A few final points to help you get the most out of this great technique. Give your points the space they deserve. The more you add, the harder it is to remember. Maybe even try 1 point per slide, and try to use simple animation to reveal your points. I'm not talking about the crazy flying in from the left and the right and spinning things around in PowerPoint that we see, but less is always more. If you like this course and want to learn how to use the Prezi software to improve your presentations, you can jump over to our beginners course, which I've linked below this video. You can sign up to our newsletter on the link below as well, and then you'll be alerted to all new courses that we add here. And our aim is to help you be a much better presenter and to engage your audiences like never before. If you get stuck with anything, then please feel free to get in touch with me or my team here at theprezenter.com. Our email address is also linked below. And I really hope that you take the time to put this technique in place and improve your presentations for good.